In this video, I'll guide you through how to use ZipRecruiter to find a job. Whether you're just starting your job search or you're looking for your next step, I'll walk you through the basic search tools so you can quickly get to relevant openings instead of scrolling endlessly. First, open your web browser and go to the ZipRecruiter website. You can do this by typing ZipRecruiter into your search engine and clicking the official result, or by entering the site address directly if you already know it. Give the page a moment to load and you should land on the main job search screen. This is where you'll see a simple search bar with a couple of fields you can fill out. At the top, you'll notice a space for keywords. This is where you'll type in the kind of job you're looking for. Think of keywords as the main way ZipRecruiter understands what you want. For example, you might type marketing manager, software engineer, customer service, or even a specific skill like Python developer or graphic designer. Try to be specific enough to narrow things down, but not so specific that you miss good options. If you're not sure what to type, start with the job title you're most interested in, and you can always adjust it later based on the results you see. Once you've entered your job keywords, move over to the location field. Here you'll add the place where you'd like to work. You can type in a city, a state, or even a broader region, depending on how flexible you are. For example, you might type New York, NY if you want to stay in one city, or just the name of a state if you're open to multiple cities within that area. If you're looking for something fully remote, you can try entering your own city and then using filters related to remote work later, or look for remote in the job titles and descriptions that appear. Next, take a look at the distance selector, usually shown as a radius around the location you've just entered. This tells ZipRecruiter how far from that location you're willing to commute or relocate. You can choose a small distance if you only want jobs very close to you, or expand it if you're fine traveling a bit farther. For example, you might choose 5 or 10 miles for a short commute, or 25 to 50 miles if you're open to a wider area. Adjust this based on what feels realistic for your daily routine. After you've set your keywords, added your location, and chosen your distance, you're ready to see what's out there. Go ahead and click the search button. ZipRecruiter will now scan its listings and bring up jobs that match the information you entered. From here, you can start reviewing the roles that appear, open any that look interesting, and refine your search by tweaking your keywords, location, or distance. If the results aren't quite what you had in mind, that's all you need to get started using ZipRecruiter to find a job. Go to the website, enter your job keywords, set your location, pick your distance, and click search to explore the opportunities available to you.